Hey, what's up guys? Your boy Eddie here. Guess what I have today to show you? I have the iPhone XR in black color. I'm gonna go over the unboxing. I'm gonna show you what's inside. We're gonna turn on the phone and we're gonna set it up so we can start using it and be able to show you what it's all about. So, if you can focus here a little closer. First thing is to open it up, we're gonna have to pull the tab that it's down here. Let's see if I can get it right the first time. I'm gonna put it down. We're gonna pull this up and look at that. Really easy. So now we're gonna put this away and we're gonna focus on the phone now. Now, as you can see, this is one of my favorite boxes. I really like how they have the logo up here. I like how they have the size. You can actually feel it. You can actually feel the texture from the white part to where the phone is. You can almost feel that picture in there. So that's really nice. The sides, it just says iPhone, logo again, iPhone. And then in the back, that includes the iPhone XR, earpods with lightning connector. You know that it's that was the same from the last one. Lighting to USB cable to charge it, and USB power adapter. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. We're gonna lift up the box. We're gonna put this here on the side. And then first thing is the manual. I'm just gonna throw that away. And then right away you see that the iPhone. I'm gonna pull up this tab, and there you go. That's the front. Let's look at the back. All black. Wow, this looks really nice. It's all black. I don't think I ever had a phone that it was all black like this, so it feels really nice to look at this. You have the back camera right there, flashlight. So you have the iPhone logo, down here, and then in the front you have the smartphone camera for selfies, the speaker right there, and then we're gonna put this on the side so we can see what else is inside. Okay guys, so here we have the USB power adapter. Pretty nice. I actually think it looks a little bigger, but I don't know guys. I'll have to take a look at the old one. Then we have the earbuds. Look at these. They look pretty nice design. And then we just have the power cord from lighting to USB. Okay? So we're gonna put this here on the side. Now we're gonna go ahead and use this. I feel bad for just putting it on the table. I'm gonna use the manual to set the phone on. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. And look at that. Hello, so we're gonna slide it up. We're gonna select English. We're gonna select we live in the United States. And then we're gonna set it up manually. I'm gonna click down there. So we're gonna select our home network. In this case, it's the first one on top. And then we're gonna put in the password. Connecting to that. We're connecting to that right now. Then we're gonna go ahead and click on next. So right now, since it's the first time that we ever turn it on, it's activating. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this data and privacy. You know, you always have to sign the agreements, so we're gonna go ahead and click on continue. We can do Face ID. In this moment, we're not gonna do it yet because I just wanna show you quickly, guys, how to be able to use everything. So we're gonna click on set up later in settings. We can also create a passcode. In this case, let me see if I can skip this. We're gonna click on passcode options and don't use a passcode. I'll probably do it later, but not right now. So we're gonna click on don't use a passcode. Just gonna skip that. Apps and data. You know, if you have an iCloud from your old iPhone, you can just send it over, send the information over here. That's probably the best way to transfer all your files. We're gonna click on set up as new iPhone. So now here, I have to put in my Apple ID. I'm gonna do that later. So I'm gonna click on forgot password or don't have an Apple ID. And then when I click on that, I'm gonna click on set up later in settings. Don't use. And then we are gonna scroll down and then click on agree. Okay, and then guys, we have here in Express settings, we have something like find my iPhone. Basically, in case you ever lose your iPhone, you can track it with using a computer or another iPhone. So we're gonna click on, go ahead and click on continue. Keep your iPhones up to date. Obviously, we want to have the latest updates on software. So we're gonna click on continue as well. iMessage or FaceTime, we're gonna click on continue. Basically, if you have a Mac, you can have your text messages sent to there, be able to use it like if it was your cell phone, basically. We're gonna click on continue, and then Siri, obviously, we want that. Screen times, this basically tracks your time usage on your phone. It tells you how much time you're using on every single app. So we're gonna click on continue. And then we have app analytics. This basically helps the developers to improve their service. And then we're gonna click on continue again. We're gonna click on share with developers. True tone displays. This basically it's how that screen gets adjusted to the lighting from the room where you're at. If you go outside, just the screen is gonna get light. It's gonna get brighter. If you are indoors or at night, it's just gonna get darker. So that's pretty useful. This is gonna be for your icons on your home button, on your home screen. Here on the left, you have the standard one, and then on the right, you have the zoom one. So I think I like it like that better. Let's see. Let's take a look at that. Let's see if we can do that. Back. So we're gonna click on choose a view, and we're gonna click on zoom or standard. It's just slightly different. And then we're gonna click on next. I'm gonna select the standard one. I'm pretty used to that. And then swipe. And then you can always swipe up just from wherever you are just to put home. So we're gonna click on continue. Switch between recent apps. So basically you hold it down here, pull it up a little, and then let it go. And that's gonna show you all your apps. So we're gonna click on continue. Quick access control. You can just pull up the tab. It's going to show you all the basic settings. If you're playing music, you can pause it from right there. If you need to adjust the lighting from your screen, you can also do it there. Connect to the Wi-Fi or open up your camera, you can also do it from there. So we're going to click on continue. And then finally, we have welcome to iPhone. So I'm going to swipe up and it's going to go to the home menu.